Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Christian Givens, your favorite DMV realtor. Today we are checking out a very special home located in Bowie, Maryland, built by Mid-Atlantic Builders. This community, Glendale Estates, is very special because these lots, the smallest size we have is half an acre, and they have a 3-acre lot available as well. Let's check out this gorgeous Sorrento 2.0 model together and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Welcome into your foyer area, which is a grand entrance to your home. And right off your foyer, you have your beautiful dining room, which honestly, I love a good formal dining space, and this one does not disappoint at all. Here across from your dining room, you have your formal living room, and you have a multi-gen suite attached to your formal living room. Now, a lot of people are really asking for multi-gen living because, you know, we have relatives that may want to live with us. Maybe you have a grown kid that comes back home and won't leave, and you want them to have a space that they can call their own. This is perfect space for that. I love that this room also does have a general size walk-in closet. And just a lot of natural sunlight coming into this room, as you can see. All right. As you guys walk towards the back of the home, we're gonna make a pit stop. Here is your powder room. And don't tell me you don't feel like a boss walking into this huge office, like the custom built-ins. This desk that's sitting in the middle of the office space here, to the light fixtures they chose are all really good. And you also have extra storage with this nice size walk-in closet here as well. What you will notice about this house is that there's no lack of storage. And here's your coat closet for your guests. Welcome to the back of the home, which is absolutely stunning. I love this space. From this family room to the custom built-ins by the fireplace. Everything here has been done so well. And my favorite thing, honestly, back here is these accordion doors and how they open up to your covered terrace with your gas fireplace. And they have this screened in, so you know, no bugs are gonna get in here at all. Enjoy the outdoor space, and have it come inside your home. And we've been in here for shooting for maybe like an hour now, and it feels so good, amazing. All right, here is your morning room off of your kitchen and off your family room. Has nice, large windows which let in a lot of natural sunlight. And we all know the heart of every home is the kitchen, and this kitchen does not disappoint it. So you have this large, oversized island. I don't know if you can tell how big this space is, but it's huge. And I'm loving these Samsung appliances, which are the black stainless steel. Has a nice finish to it. Quartz countertops, of course. You have LVP floors throughout. Really cool custom lighting throughout the home as well. The home shown here has a 3-car garage. And here is your butler's pantry and your walk-in pantry. All right, guys, let's go check out the bedrooms upstairs. Okay, so we're gonna start things off in the primary bedroom, which I don't think will disappoint anybody. Let me talk about the size of the home while we're walking through this gorgeous primary. So we have 6,100 square feet and plenty of space. The price in this model, as shown, they're estimating if they were to sell this today, which we are in March of 2025, would be $1.6 million. Here is going towards your 2 walk-in closets. And you have this beautiful spa style bathroom. So this particular model, which is their Sorrento 2.0, it does come like this. The bathroom, as far as the shower with the frameless shower door and your large soaking tub, come in the Sorrento 2.0, in this neighborhood from Mid-Atlantic Builders. All right, and I didn't think I needed one of these until this house had it. Covered terrace off your primary bedroom, looking into your wooded lot in Bowie, Maryland. Like, who doesn't want this? We got more house to check out. So there are 4 bedrooms in total on this level. Here is bedroom number 2. Generous sized bedroom, as you can see. Nice high ceilings. And a very deep walk-in closet. I love that this has a Jack and Jill or a buddy style bathroom with the pocket doors, because it saves so much space. So here's a pocket door and you have your sink for this bedroom here. This will be a regular doorway, separating it from the shower and tub and your toilet. There'll be another door here. We're entering to the other bedroom and another pocket door here for this sink area. So here's bedroom number 3 on the level. Which also gets a nice walk-in closet. All right, you guys, here is your laundry room, which I love that it's on this floor. I love the paneling there. It's the Perry the Platypus color. Just, if you know, you know. Here is bedroom number 4 in this level, which has its own ensuite. They did the custom built-ins here, this bench, bookshelf, really well done. Private ensuite bathroom. And a nice sized walk-in closet. You guys like it so far? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you stayed this long, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because why are you not subscribed already? Because you know you want to subscribe. You know you like these houses. So just subscribe. Just take in the view again before we go downstairs. All right, welcome to the lower level. We have a lot of cool room to check out here. First being this rec room, or this media room rather, the custom built-ins. They're not done decorating out here fully. And I really love that they did the gaming station over here, which is really unique. I haven't seen that in any model homes yet. Here is your recreation space. As you can tell, this is huge. Like, this is huge. And there's so many different doorways you'll notice throughout. So that's the storage room over there. That is also the store closet. That's a storage room. Here's another storage room. And here is your half bathroom. Here's your wet bar. And this could be another bedroom, but they have this set up as a gym. Perfect thing in this basement. If you ask me, you need a gym in your house, especially if it's this size. I do like that it has a walk-in closet and it has its own ensuite bathroom. So what are we looking at? Like, what is that? 6 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full bathrooms and 2 half bathrooms. So you have 7 bathrooms in the house. Yes, I had to count them out because I don't always remember everything off the top of my head. So as of the day of shooting this video, just to keep in mind when you're looking at new construction, the earlier you get in, the better. This builder has some really cool incentives. for this neighborhood as of today that will not be available probably by the time we post this video. So if you really want to get in on a new construction neighborhood, do it early, contact your local realtor. If you are looking to purchase new construction in the DMV area, I hope that you will reach out to me. My name is Christian Givens. I am a licensed realtor here in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. If you're returning, thank you as always for your support. Hit that like button, share, and comment your favorite place in this house. Grace and peace.